All of this that we talked about in deep learning allows deep learning in cybersecurity to do anomaly detection, malware detection, threat prediction, adaptive defense, phishing detection, all of this and much, much more. Now, let's go and give you like an example of how this might work, how you might use deep learning to help assist with cybersecurity. Given a real world example of the WannaCry ransomware worm that hit over 200,000 systems in 150 countries in a single day. It hit FedEx, it hit the UK National Health Organization, and a bunch of organizations all over the world were hit. And traditional antivirus had no signature for this. CrowdStrike's Falcon platform used deep learning, and I think one guy actually figured this out and how to get it to stop and stuff. And that guy's on TikTok, I believe, which is pretty crazy. You can actually talk to the guy right now. Anyway, CrowdStrike's Falcon platform has a deep learning model that was trained directly on raw executable files, the bytes within that actual file. And it could actually detect this. And that's using deep learning models to identify threats in milliseconds. That's where deep learning and neural networks come in because they can actually pick up on zero-day exploits and help you to identify those and respond to each one of those zero-day exploits. And it's not going to catch everything, obviously, but it's going to give us a leg up. Like essentially, if you think about it as cybersecurity professionals, we have to learn this stuff because if it makes our life easier, we absolutely need it. They're not hiring enough people ever to do our job. And these tools right here give us what we need to fill in those gaps.